In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mention or tag someone in your Gmail messages. This is a great way to ensure that the people you're addressing know the message is directed to them, which is especially handy when you're managing a long thread or coordinating with a group of people. So let's dive right in. First, open your web browser and navigate to Gmail. You'll need to log in if you haven't already. Once you're in, go ahead and click on the Compose button located on the upper left corner of the page to start a new email message. If you're responding to an email, simply open that email and click on Reply or Reply to All, depending on your need. Now, to mention someone within the email body, all you have to do is type the @ symbol followed by the person's name. As you start typing, Gmail will suggest contacts from your Gmail address book. You'll see these suggestions pop up. Continue typing their name until you see the correct contact listed. Click on their name from the drop-down menu that appears. That's it. The person's email will be automatically added to the recipients in the To field if they weren't there already. This method is really useful because it ensures that you not only highlight the person's name in the conversation for everyone to see easily, but also verifies that they are included in the recipients list. This way, there's no missing any important recipients, especially in crucial projects or ongoing discussions. One thing to keep in mind is these mentions work only with contacts that are already stored in your address book. If the person isn't saved in your Gmail contacts, you may need to add them manually by typing their full email address in the To field before proceeding. This ensures there's no disruption to the seamless tagging process. For those occasions when you want to tag someone who's not necessarily part of the immediate conversation but still might need to be aware of the thread, you can use the CC or BCC fields. Adding emails here allows them to receive the message without being the direct focus of the conversation. In summary, using Gmail's tagging feature not only enhances communication by directly notifying intended recipients, but also helps in organizing email threads more efficiently. It's a small step, but it goes a long way in collaborative communication. So, there you have it. That's how you effortlessly tag or mention someone in your Gmail messages, making sure they're notified and part of the conversation. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell for more helpful tips and tricks. See you in the next video.